I want to touch on one other little topic. I know it might not have a lot to do with this area, but the minimum wage. Would you have supported
Absolutely.
overriding the veto?
Absolutely. But you know, a minimum wage is a very blunt instrument.
Right.
And it does put a burden on small business, and it's not the method that I would prefer.
That's the reason why I brought it up, because your district, your area that you represent, I would assume most people, most businesses in that area would object to.
I think small business people anywhere don't want more regulation, and they don't want more mandates from the government. I can understand that. Running a business is a tough job. Milton Friedman, who you may know is a very conservative economist.
He's Reagan's guy.
Exactly. And he had a completely different approach to this same issue. The issue is, how do we put money into the hands of people who are working? And one way to do it is the minimum wage, which says let's take some money out of a business and give it directly to the people who are working. Another way to do it is what's called an earned income tax credit. Right. That was Milton Friedman's way to do it. Right. And he says, for everybody who's working and who's paying taxes or who files an income tax statement, let's make sure that they have enough money to live on. Let's cut them a check if we need to. The federal government has this program. It's very successful. It was passed at the state level and vetoed. It needs to be passed again. An earned income tax credit is the way to go, not a minimum wage. But if I have to have a choice, yes, I would have supported the minimum wage.